That's a good boy.
Give me it. Give me it. Give it. Oh, okay.
I guess it's not yours, Mom.
Give me it. Give me it. Give me your big ear.
You're a silly boy.
Give me it. Give me it. Okay, please don't bite my foot. Please don't mistake me.
Can I get the pig ear? It'll be okay. It's okay. Can I get the pig ear? Okay, I guess not. The pig ear's yours. Go on and eat it. It's all yours. Wait, can I try one more time? Wait, I don't know. Just... Good boy. That's a good boy. Look at the camera. Say, my name's Cameron. I love pig ears, and I'm a fucking Fruit Loop.